Hi everyone, my name is Carol. I am a consular assistant at the U.S. Embassy in Dushanbe, Tajikistan. The month of May is Asian Pacific Heritage Month, and I'm going to share with you all how to make lumpia. Lumpia is an appetizer that can be found in all parts of Southeast Asia. It's a type of spring roll commonly found in Guam, Philippines, and Indonesia. So we're going to start with chicken, and we're going to mix in our vegetables. This consists of carrots, onions, celery, and garlic. This is ready now, and we're going to make the lumpia wrapper, which consists of flour, cornstarch, and water, ingredients that can be found in Tajikistan. So this consistency is a little bit wet, so we're going to add a little bit more flour so we can get a thicker consistency. Now the lumpia wrapper is ready. We're going to heat it on the stovetop. We're going to put it on a low heat on the stovetop and a pan. And we're going to use 1/4 cup of the mixture. And we're going to drop it into the stovetop. Now we're going to let it cook for a little bit. And we're going to spread it around with the back of a spoon. And we're going to let that sit and cook for a couple minutes. Okay, you see how it came off just like that? That means it's ready. And we're going to let it cool down for a bit. And then we can roll the lumpia. So this is a trick that my mom taught me growing up to make lumpia easier. And we're going to take the ends of the wrapper. We're going to fold it like this. And then we're going to roll it. And we're going to take the egg whites. And we're going to use it to seal the wrapper. And after, we're going to deep fry these until they are golden brown. So we're going to deep fry these lumpia into oil. You can use any type of oil. I think I'm going to burn. Alright, so it looks like these are ready. You want to get them nice and crispy golden brown. So these are ready, and usually to pair it with lumpia we use this Thai sweet chili sauce, which can be found here in Dushanbe. Should we try it? Sorry. I chose to share with you all how to make lumpia today because I grew up making lumpia my entire life. Thanks, Mom. Anyways, please share in the comments below your favorite type of recipe or dish that you grew up making around friends or family. Thanks for watching. Bye.